Hi everyone, and in today's video I'll be reviewing the Tryone Gooseneck phone holder. So this phone holder is a flexible 360 phone holder. It has an adjustable clamp and is good for most and all smartphones, including Samsungs and iPhones, and for plus size phones as well. So I got mine for about £14 on Amazon. It does come in black and white, and I got mine in black. So yeah, this is very affordable, and you can even charge your phone with this little thing here, as well as using it on the phone holder as well. So as you can see as well, it is quite tall, it's quite sturdy. The gooseneck is a really strong metal. And this is the clamp that will be attaching to the table now. So you open the clamp up by adjusting this part here. And you tighten it also with this part here. And as you can see, it is very sturdy. It was literally shaking my table. So I'm putting on the charger clamp now, so you can charge your phone again with your phone in the holder. I have put the ending on the phone holder, and you can tighten and loosen it as you wish to move it about. I hope you all enjoyed this review.